Hey, good morning, afternoon, evening. I'm Ivy Ash, and today I'm showing you some gorgeous glasses I've received from the brilliant brand Goodlookers. So I received this parcel the other day as part of a collab, and I'm going to show you what's inside. I couldn't believe how many glasses they sent me. I got 7 pairs. A mixture of reading glasses and sunglasses. Some of these I picked out myself, and then some they sent me to try to see what I think. I've only got a small prescription, so +1 on reading glasses, but because I use my laptop a lot, I do find glasses helpful to stop any strain on my eyes, and if they're blue light, then I love them even more. So the colours, as you can see, are absolutely stunning. I've opted for various shades of pink, and there's a few curveballs in there. So the first ones are these orange glasses. They're called Encore, and they're eco wheat, which means their frames are made from sustainably sourced straw wheat. And these are them in baby pink. I actually really like this colour. It kind of matches my outfit. I then had the Weybridge Eco Wheat reading glasses in fuchsia. I feel like these are really well suited to my face shape, and I'd probably wear these on the day-to-day, so they're really good glasses for me, I feel. Next up, we're going back to the Encore Eco Wheat glasses, and these are in fuchsia. I love this colour, it's such a statement piece, and I really like this style as well. Next, we've got the blue light glasses. They're called the Burbank Transparent Reading Glasses, which have got UV 400 glare blocking. I didn't think I'd like these, but I actually really do. They're really versatile. And now sunglasses. Oh my god, I love these. I think these are going to be my go-to pair for the whole of summer 2023. I love the style, I love the colour, I love everything about them, and they're super fashionable as well. And last, but certainly not least, we've got the grey polarised sunglasses that are called Sheridan. I think these are really sophisticated and chic, and they've got polarised lenses as well. I'll definitely be wearing these out. Let me know which glasses are your favourites, and I'm going to be posting a link to the Goodlookers website in my description and in the comments. Go check them out and let me know what you think.